Question number 1. How many fish will have their heads pointing towards the ring when we straighten the line? So in this question, we have to see that how many fish faces towards this ring when we straight this rope or this line. So let's start from this ring. When we go straight, this fish faces towards the ring. Then next one is here. Then when we move forward, it's the tail of this fish is towards the ring. Then again, it's the tail, and this blue fish faces towards the ring. Then let's go forward. Again, its face. Then this green fish face is also towards the ring. The next fish tail is towards the ring. Then we move forward and this red fish face is towards the ring. So there are 6 such fish whose face is towards the ring when we straighten the line. So option C is our correct option. Question number 2. Eric has 4 bricks. Which of the cubes shown below can he make with his 4 bricks? So if we look at the given resource, there are 3 gray bricks and 1 white bricks. And option C's cube is the only cube which is made using 3 gray bricks and 1 white brick. In rest of the options, there are 2 gray and 2 white bricks. So option C is our correct option. Question number 3. When you put the 4 puzzle pieces together correctly, they form a rectangle with the calculation on it. What is the result of this calculation? So we have to make a rectangle. We know that the sides of the rectangles are straight. So if we look at the left side of 1, it's straight. So 1 will come first. And the right side of the 2 is straight. So 2 will come at the end. Now we have to find out a puzzle piece out of 3 and plus, which will easily fix with 1. So obviously plus will have the clash with 1 because the outer parts of these 2 puzzle pieces will not fix with each other, but 3 will fix with 1 easily. So we will write 3 with 1, and then plus will be adjusted in between 3 and 2 easily. So 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. So option B is our correct option. Question number 4. Alaya draws a picture of the sun. Which of the following answer is part of her picture? So if we look at all our options, this part of the sun is given in option B. Here we have 2 gray rectangles, 1 light gray and 1 white rectangle. So this is the only part which is given in the options. Question number 5. 5 boys competed in a shooting challenge. Ricky scored the most points. Which target was Ricky's? So here we will count the number of dots and that total. Like first dot is in 10, second is in 8, and third is in 7. So we will add 10, 8, and 7. Total is 25. Then one point is in 10. Then 2 points are in 7. So we will write 10 plus 7 plus 7, that is equal to 24. In the C part, all 3 points are in 8. So we can multiply 8 3 times, or otherwise we can add 8 3 times. So total is 24 in both cases. Then in option D, the calculations will be like this. And then in the last option, 2 points are in 9 and 1 is in 8. So that is equal to 26. So 26 is greatest of all. So option E is the Ricky's target. Question number 6. A measuring tape is wrapped around a cylinder. Which number should be at the place shown by the question mark? So we can see 1 is in the start of the first line and 11 is at the end. So there are 11 numbers from 1 to 11. Then we can see 22 in the start of the second line. It means from 12 to 21 there is a jump of 11 numbers again. So 22 is visible and at the end it's 32. So there are 11 numbers from 22 to 32. So on the other side there will be a jump of 11 numbers. So it will be from 33 to 42. So it means 43 will be written in the start of the third line of the cylinder. Then we can count onwards. It's 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. So our number under the question mark is 48. So option C is the correct option. Question number 7. Denise fired a silver and a gold rocket at the same time. The rockets exploded into 20 stars in total. The gold rocket exploded into 6 more stars than the silver one. How many stars did the gold rocket explode into? So it is given in the question that there are 20 stars exploded in total, and gold rocket stars are 6 more than silver rocket stars. So let's suppose the silver rocket stars are 5. So according to the given information, the gold rocket stars should be 6 more than 5. So 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Now if we do the total, 5 plus 11 is equal to 16, which is incorrect because it was clearly given in the question that total is 20. So we will try different options. Now let's suppose the silver stars are 7. So the gold rocket stars should be 6 more than 7. So 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Now if we add the number, now if we add the stars of the gold and silver rockets, 13 plus 7 is equal to 20, which is correct because the total number of stars were 20. So we can say that the stars of the gold rocket are 13. So option D is the correct option. Question number 8. Rosanna has some balls of 3 different colors. Balls of the same colors have the same weight. What is the weight of each white ball? So in this part, we will start from our first weighing machine, which has a black and 2 gray balls. Total is equal to 10 kg, which is written inside the weighing machine. Then we have to try different options here to satisfy our equations. So let's suppose the value of the black ball is 2 and the value of the one gray ball is 4. So if we make an equation, 2 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 10. So that is correct. But now we will go to our third weighing machine, which has one gray ball and one black ball, and the total is equal to 6. As we have decided before that the value of the gray ball is 4 and the value of the black ball is 2. So I will make equation that is 4 plus 2. We will put the values in this equation. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, which is also correct. So now we will see our second weighing machine, which has 2 white balls and 1 gray ball. So total is equal to 14 kg. I know the value of the gray ball is 4. So I can write 4 at the place of gray ball, that is G. Now I will subtract 4 out of total, which is 14, to find out the value of the white ball. So as I had 2 white balls, I can write 2W. Now 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. It means the value of the 2 white balls is equal to 10. So half of 10 is 5. So value of one white ball will be 5. So option C is the correct option here. Question number 9. Nisa has 3 different sorts of cards in the game: apple, cherry and grapes. She chooses 2 cards from the set and swaps their places. She wants to arrange the cards so that all the cards with the same fruit on are next to each other. For which set is this not possible? So here we have to keep all the same type of cards together. If we start from option B, we want to keep all apples together, so we will swap it with the card of cherry. So then the sequence will be apples, 3 apples together, then grapes, and then a card of cherry. In option C, if we swap this grapes with apple, then the sequence will be 2 grapes will be together, 2 apples and 1 cherry. In option D, if we want to keep all the fruits together, we will swap the card of apple with the card of cherry. So then 3 cherries will be together. After that, the cards of grapes will be kept, and then apple. In option E, we want to swap cherry with the grapes. So we can swap these 2 cards. The sequence will be apple, then 2 grapes and 2 cherries. But in option A, there is no such combination in which all the fruits are together. For example, if I want to keep apples together, I can swap the card of apple with the card of cherry. But then we will have 2 apples one card of grapes, then cherry, and then grapes again. But if we swap the card of grapes with apple, still the sequence will be apple, cherry, two grapes, and then apple. So in option A, there is no such combination in which all same types of cards can be together. Question number 10. Sophie wants to pick 5 different shapes from the boxes. She can only pick one shape from each box. Which shape must she pick from box 4? So she has to pick only one shape from one box. And our concern is box number 4, that what shape will be taken out of this box. So we will start from our box number 3 because it has only shape. So Sophie will take circle out of box 3. So from box 1, she will take star because circle is already taken from box 3. So star is also gone. Then she will come to box 5. Here, she has already taken star out of box 1. So she will not pick star from here. She will pick a pentagon. Then now we will see that which shape will be taken out of box number 4. So star is taken out of box number 1. Pentagon was taken out of box number 5. Circle was taken out of box number 3. So this is a square which she will take out from the box number 4. So option E is the correct option. Question number 11. 18 cubes are colored white or gray or black and are arranged as shown. The figure on the right show the white and the black parts. Which of the following is the gray part? So here, if we look at the black part, it's quite visible that it's in the upper layer of the shape. So we have to focus on the lower layer of the shape. So we can see that there is a white part and gray part given in the lower layer. So if we arrange the white part into 3 parts, like its first row, second, and third. In the first row, there is nothing in white color. So it means all these gray pieces are in the first row. So there are 3 boxes of the in the gray color, which is given in our option A, C, and E. Now we will see that which is our option out of these 3 options. Now if we look at the third layer of the third row of the white part, there is only one box. It means that rest of the 2 boxes will be in the gray color, which is shown in the shape as well. So that is given in our option A and E. Now let's come towards in the second row. We can see a box here and there is a gap under it. It means there is no white box in the under this part. So obviously the last 2 boxes will be in the gray color then, which is in our option E only. So option E is our correct option, which is meeting all the criteria. Question number 12. The 5 balls shown began to move simultaneously in the direction indicated by their arrows. When 2 balls going in opposite direction collide, the bigger ball swallows the smaller and increases its value by the value of the smaller ball. The bigger ball continues to move in original direction as shown in the following example. Like if 11 and 4 collide, we will add 11 into 4, that is equal to 15, and the ball will move in the direction of the bigger number, which is 11. What is the final result of the collision of the 5 balls shown? So let's start from 3 and 9 because they are going in opposite direction. When we add 9 into 3, that is equal to 12, and the ball will move in the direction of the 9. So that's why we are moving towards right side. So now 12 and 7 will collide and the ball will move towards right side because 12 is bigger number and its direction is towards right side. So 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. Now when 19 and 20 will collide, the total will be 39 and the direction will be left side this time because 20 is the bigger number and it is moving towards left side. Now when 39 and 10 will collide, because all of the numbers are done, only 10 is left. When 39 and 10 will collide, the total will be 49, and this time direction will be left again because the direction of 39 was left. So here our answer is option C.